What's going on, next level? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a burst fade. We're going to walk you step by step. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and comment down below. Let's get to it. We're going to be starting with the top in this tutorial. We're going to be taking off about a 1/4 inch from the top. We're going to be working with a traveling guideline. So what that means, you grab a 1/4 inch from the top right in the center. You work your way back about a 1/4 inch each time, all the way until you reach the crown area, and then you move to the opposite direction. It could be your left side or the right side, whatever works best for you. And at the end, we're going to be doing some point cutting to give it a little bit more texture. To start off the clipper work, we're going to be working with the number 3 guard with the lever closed, and all we're going to be doing is just removing bulk from both sides. That way the haircut looks nice and clean. Our goal in this haircut is to keep the parotid ridge dark, so we're going to be working step by step and show you guys exactly how we're going to do it. Our first step is going to be using the trimmers to create a bald guideline. So we are doing a burst fade. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a circle going around the ear and making sure we're going all the way down to the skin. After you have that guideline set, you want to make sure you follow it up using the electric shaver. So the first step towards the fade, we're going to be using the clipper with no guard with the lever open. We're going up about an inch, and you want to make sure that you're consistent with that guideline that you did previously. Once you have that guideline set, you want to go ahead and erase it. So what you do, you start with the lever closed. You start right at the line that you created, and then you work your way up, opening the lever until that line is completely erased. Now we're jumping into the number 1 guard with the lever closed. So we're doing the same guideline with the same width, just following with the previous guideline that you did before. And we're going to erase that guideline with the half guard. With the lever open, you go ahead and you attack that guideline and you slowly close it all the way until that guideline is erased. If it's not completely erased, take the guard off and start detailing it out with the clipper with no guard. Once that guideline is completely erased, we're going to jump into the 1.5 guard with the lever open. We don't want to create a harsh guideline on this. The reason why is because we want to keep that parotid ridge dark. So we want to make sure that we're scooping off or flicking off right before we create that harsh line. And then we're going to follow it with the 1 guard with the lever open to erase that guideline. So all I'm doing right now is just detail work. So I'm jumping to the half guard. I got the lever open and I'm just targeting those dark spots. Whenever you look in the mirror, you see dark spots, you always want to come back and detail it. So the more detail you put in, the better the haircut is going to be. Once we're done with the fade, we're going to jump right into the beard. We got to make sure we blend in the sideburns. So we got the lever open and we're going to slowly close it all the way until that line is erased. We're going to jump right into the 1 guard. We got the lever open. We're using the corner of the blade. We do not want to create any guidelines on this. We just want to make sure we're blending and that beard is coming out nice and smooth. Once it's blended in, you want to go in and line it up with the trimmers. When you're working with the trimmers, you want to make sure that you do not apply a lot of pressure. You want to make it smooth. You want to make it comfortable for your clients. Sometimes these trimmers are too sharp. You might cut them, you might nick them. So make sure you don't apply a lot of pressure. Just let the trimmer do all the work. Once you're done with the lineup, you want to make sure you follow it up using the straight razor. Make sure you're pulling the skin firmly and using small strokes as you use the razor. If you want to use shaving cream for the client, that way it makes it a little bit more comfortable, go right ahead. So this is the final result, a burst fade step by step done by yours truly, Michelangelo Fades. If you guys are new to the channel, if you guys like this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. That's my time. My name is Michelangelo. Peace.